I kind of like the green hair. I don't know. What do you think?
Oh, you did? Okay. You try. That's the best thing you could do is try. That's the. Shit! I just sweat, bro. Oh, what? Okay. Alright. I'm gonna be. Oh. Look, take me here, girl. Alright, we need. Okay. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you, Amanda. Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Not a lot of people give me compliments. They're always, just, you know. Oh, shit, honey. I'm having chicken. Well, so I got me McDonald's for dinner. I don't even, that, I was thinking, Faith would, be home, but maybe, she'll answer me here in a minute or something. But if not, she's got food, she gets here. Lord.
Okay, so you heard that right. She's having McDonald's for dinner. Okay? Keep that in mind.
All right. She's doing wonderful. She's doing great. She's doing beauty great. Damn, get it, Pride? Oh my goodness, she tore that. Okay, you make sure you tell Andy big thank yous. He gave you that. He brought that for you. Yeah, that big bone. Nosy Mosey didn't want it. I think it was too big for him or something. Yeah, my baby. See me, baby. See me, little fork. Chop, short, and spout. Here is my number. Here. Well, I'm coming, baby girl. I come in. Go get your bone. You're not getting my food. Get your bone, girl. Get your bone. Look at all that bone. Shit, that should last you for about a couple months. No, I'm just kidding. Alright. Look, I need to hang out with my TikTok people. You can get on the bed. You know you can. But you ain't gonna be hawking me on my food. Look, go clean that mess up over there on that bed, girl. Yeah. Hold on, you guys. Oh, shoot. No, wait a minute. Maybe we can make it a little. Alright. Come on, Pride. Why you gotta play me like this, bro? You got a whole bone over there, Pride. Come on now. Don't be playing me. I've shared with you already. Oh, Lord. Alright, we gotta pray first, Pride. She is like really hawking.
So any other time, we never see the whole body, right? Now she's going to put the camera where we can see the nasty t-shirt with no bra, and she's eating her McDonald's, right?
Me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Thank you, God, for feeding me and Pride and the rest of the world. Amen. Period. Oh, honey. Here, baby. Not too much, because this is greasy Faith. Pride. Shit. Here, grab a napkin. Oh. No, don't you think about it, girl. Oh, boy. Oh, let's grab a few of these bad boys. See. Come on, man. You just left your whole bone. No, you're not in trouble. What are you doing? I'm talking about your bone. You gotta clean that shit off that bed, girl. What do you think this is? Oh. I'm a little teapot, Jordans. I like this one, actually. Maybe. There we go. Look, you guys, I can't have a bra on. Because I just can't, you guys. Right now. Oh, Jaylyn got a big one, and she gave me the little one. It's a Care Bear Hello Kitty. She gave me the little one. She got the big one. A while back ago. I think about a couple months ago. Oh, I love some honey. Mmm. Oh. Pride, I see you hawking me, girl. What is going on? What is going on with you, baby? No, over there. You got a bone. No, don't give me paw. Look, she ain't trying to let me eat in peace. Thank you for the love, you guys. Thank you. Look. Alright. Now you're done. Here. You can get a fry. No, on the floor. Look. Go lay down. There you go. Get that damn fry, girl. Good girl. Why do dogs do that? So she lays right there on the other bed looking right at me and licking her lips. No, too much grease ain't good for you, Pride. No, I love you. You know that's not good for you, baby. It's not good for me to be eaten, so... You understood? Okay. Love! Hi, baby! How are you? Happy Thanksgiving! Turkey butt. Turkey butt. I see you, Sarah. You can walk, you can do whatever you want. Hi, lady baby. These nails are coming off easy, man. Another one. Came off. Bruh. So now I got 3 that came off. How was Thanksgiving, love? Ow. Oh. Aww. Bless your heart. Ah. That's nice of you, baby. You ain't got to do that, though. I like the little snowflakes more than anything. But I'm trying to get a little. Hopefully it'll stay up. For lunch, I had a turkey sandwich. 2 of them. Oh, Lord. I think the turkey is best the next day. I mean, it's good the first day, but it's best the second. Ha! You're gonna have to clean that pride. Well, boy. Hi, honey. How are you? Look at this. Andy brought this over for Pride. No, you're so pretty. Look at this big ass bone. Oh, whoa, what did I just do? That's what you just did. Rip it in the...
Now, who does this? Who gives their dog a bone and allows it to go into their child's bed and chew the bone up? Not her bed, the kid's bed.
Little pieces. See that big ass bone? Well, it's got to be washed, everything. Girl. She's so beautiful. I see you looking at, and then she looks at my food. Yeah, mommy's full anyway, baby. I'm full. What the fuck? Why am I hitting that? I'm full. All right. Here, one more, because I love you. Oh, easy. Damn, girl. What's fucking going on here? I did. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving, too. You can find what at Walmart? You must have got filtered. I don't see what you're talking about, babe. Oh, shoot. Fried, no more. We're going to give it to Faithy. Oh, Lord. You're going to make me freaking... You're too spoiled rotten. You're just too spoiled rotten. Oh, okay. Well, it wasn't cold. He had it warm, so I wonder if that's where he got it and boiled it or something. I don't know. But damn. Oh, thank you. Now it's blonde. Why does it keep changing colors? What is it? Just change colors as we talk? I just noticed that. It went from like 3 different colors now. So we're on a yellow. It is pretty cool. Well, I look like Dolly Parton. Or not Dolly Parton. Yeah, I do. Dolly Parton all the way. That would be her. Damn, it is snowing. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Hold on, he's putting her bathrobe on. Ow! Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha! Bells on tops of rings, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a tick-tock land tonight. Oh, she said, no, it's too cold, it's too cold, it's too cold. It's too cold. But I do gotta take this Muttley outside. Princess, would you like to... Look. She tearing that bone up. Look at her. Guess we're not gonna go outside right yet. Damn, okay. Look at this beautiful girl. That blanket, look at that's going right in the dirty clothes, so she better just enjoy that crap. Oh, excuse me. So with Pride, occasionally I get a whoop of like hormones. You know, like not a monthly type thing, but like a birth, like a birthing type scent. Like occasionally. Like what the? So I think I should educate people just a tad bit. So, you know, a lot of people don't think Pride's got shots or this or that. You know, right? Yeah, let's educate yourself a little bit. She sure is. I rescued her from somebody, and her shots were all up to date when I got her. And that is her little necklace thing. So just to, like, educate whoever needs to be educated on that part. The foot. But that's all I'll say on that part. Ah, Pride Poopy. Wish I could get it on her neck, but... I try not to keep nothing on her neck so she can breathe because of that coat. The coat. I have her little vest coat thing, you know? So, to the ones in the back with the Cadillac, shush it. My girl good. I'm trying to tell you, we all good over here. Okay? Okay. Now, damn, Faith. I probably shouldn't have even said anything about her shots at all. Just now. I probably should just let people think what they think. Sometimes I gotta be quiet. And just let people think what they think. I mean, what can you do? They're gonna believe what they want anyway. Kept a little bit in that. Just throwing her hot Cheetos. 25 years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope. For whatever that means. Do you guys ever eat these chips? These are really good. You want one? You want one of these chips? There you go. Well, get it. What do you want me to do, bro? Oh, yeah, they really are. They really are. Your kids do? My kids actually eat them, too. They eat chips in general. They're more of the spicy chip people. Kids. Come on, go clean your mess, man. Damn, you're devouring that bone. And so I wake in the morning and I step out.
Now she just had fries, nuggets. Now she's eating chips with her orange soda. Now wait for it.
Outside and I take a deep breath and I get real on the lungs. What's going on? I feel like I got hair. It's not this hair, it's my hair. That was like it. Did you? Ooh. Okay. Oh, shit. Is best, huh? Battle. What? I must have missed something somewhere. The agency battle. She's doing great, baby. Do you battle? I did just yesterday. I think it was. But with battling, I feel like that makes people gift you. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like you're making them have to gift you to win. Like, I don't know. I don't know. Wait, what? Oh, shit. So she's doing a battle at 9? I didn't hear that. But I wasn't in there too long either. Ow, ow, ow. I went in to pay my respects to them both and Devon's birthday. You got a whole mess going on that bed. Not today, girl. Oh. Journey, do you battle? Yes, just gonna say that, huh? What? Yes, just gonna say that. Devin's birthday. Oh. Hopefully I'll wait to see it. Did she do battles a lot? Or is it a battle for his birthday? You do. We all recover. Okay. I was going to say, not that I've seen her. I've never seen her battle either. Okay. I might have to take a nap so I can watch it. Do you guys know of Journey? If my adopted mom, if she battles? Oh, okay. You have no idea? No. Journey's like my mom. I love that woman. She's so sweet. I didn't know if she battled or not. Journey. Go get you some chips. Hurry up. I'm sorry they're gone. Oh, yes, I battle sometimes. Oh, man. I have to catch you in a battle. I'm gonna have to take a nap so I can see. Now, wait. She's battling an agency. What does that mean? Is that a good thing? Like... Oh my goodness, these nails are coming off easy. Well, not all of them. I bet you it's because of all that cooking and water and... Bro, they're just like... No, not you, baby. That one's a little difficult. What the fuck? Usually I put nail glue on the nail and my nail. And I didn't do that this time. I probably should have. But that's alright. We can redo our nails without no questions asked. Ouch. Now she's back at the bone again. Yeah. Bro, I got 2 nails pretty much. Ain't that just That's alright though. She didn't even eat this chip out here. What the? Oh, what are we gonna do with her? What are we gonna do with her? Oh, excuse me. Alright, you guys, I think I am gonna take a little bit of a nap. That turkey sandwich is kicking in. I'm thinking. This nail is coming off though, because it's not even fully attached. 2 nails left. Oh yeah, they gotta get done way before. Oh, I'll probably do them when I get up. What you think, Pride? Do them again when I get up. Oh yeah, I had 2 turkey sandwiches. Sandra.
She had 2 turkey sandwiches. When was this? Before the... So, wait a minute. 2 turkey sandwiches, then nuggets, fries, orange soda, bag of chips. What the hell?
Oh, yeah, I know who you're talking about. Mountain with virginity, won't go to bed till I'm legally right. I can't, I'm Sandra D. I messed it all up. But hey, you guys knew where I was going with it. Yeah, that's who I am right now, you guys. I'm Sandra D. Thank you, Miss Terry. Thank you. Oh man, I got a headache, bro.
Ugh, I can't with her anymore. You guys have a good night, and until the next one.
Oh, probably because of that singing I just did. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna sleep for a couple hours. I'm gonna set my alarm though. Shit. No, I'm gonna have to turn my phone up because in case Faith, damn, stuffing. Did you have turkey? Did you make turkey, Journey? Oh shit, there it is. It just came off. That was quick. Fuck. Now we're working with one. Oh man. Alright, go on, Pride. I'm gonna listen to. Oh yeah, cranberries. Mm-hmm. Yeah, baby. Now you're talking. Alright, you got... Damn, girl! You have chip crumbs all over? What the heck is going on? Come on. Come on. Alright, you guys. I will be back on when I get up. Oh. Alright, you guys. Look at my hair. It's a mess. Ponytail's coming out. I will see you guys when I get up. Alright. Later, you guys. Be safe. Go make your husband or wife, children dinner. Hurry up. Chop, chop. Hey, guess what? It's almost 4:20, you guys. You know what time that is? Oh, shit. I'm sorry. Later, you guys. Be safe. Love your